Have you noticed a major shift in the economy? Are you aware about the shocking shift from academic degrees to practical skills? The new reality is that skills are the new money in the digital economy. The people who are making money online are not the rich, but those who are growing fast by learning skills and applying them in the digital economy. We live in a world where jobs are disappearing, companies are downsizing, and technology is replacing careers. But here's the truth: skills are the new money. If you can learn a skill, apply it, and monetize it, you will meet your financial goals. Let us look at some role models of this shift to digital skills. Brian Chesky, a co-founder of Airbnb, he turned a simple skill of creating a website to rent out an apartment into a multi-billion-dollar global platform. Airbnbs today are everywhere in the world. The founder of Netflix saw the opportunity to apply digital delivery skills when DVDs were still popular. His action transformed entertainment forever. Jack Ma, the English teacher in China, decided to learn e-commerce. With the new skill, he built Alibaba into one of the world's largest online marketplace. And then Stripe. Patrick and John Collison, two brothers from Ireland, used their coding skills to create Stripe, which now powers payments for millions of online businesses worldwide. None of these people started with massive resources. They started with a skill. These people had one thing in common: a growth mind. This mindset follows 3 simple steps. They learn something new, apply it, and earn by using it. This is the mindset that separates digital winners from everyone else. Step 1 is learn digital marketing, automated emails, how to use social media to attract customers, how to start an online business, and how to be paid from anywhere in the world, day and night. It is like depositing money into your future bank account. Skills compound. Just like interest, they grow in value the more you add and use them. From today, let's call this skill banking. Step 2 is application. Knowledge alone is not power. What is powerful is applied knowledge. Many people collect information, but never take action. The growth mindset says, I will practice what I learn. Every post you create, every ad you test, every email you write is a brick in your digital business empire. Step 3 is earn. Once you learn and apply, earning follows naturally. A skill well practiced creates value, and value always attracts money. Whether it's selling digital products or reselling programs like the digital marketing program, skills transform into income. A huge observation today are inspiring stories of ordinary people with extraordinary mindset. A mom in her 40s learned how to attract customers using social media. She applied it by creating a simple online store. Within a few months, she was earning more money from home than her salary in her old office job. A retired teacher who learned how to create videos, applied it by teaching online, and now earns passive income while traveling. A 22-year-old student learned email marketing. She built a high-quality automated email list. She is now making sales while she studies. All these people have a growth mindset. Why does mindset matter? Your mindset is a set of beliefs that shape how you make sense of the world and yourself. It influences how you think, feel, and behave in any given situation. It means that what you believe about yourself impacts your success or failure. Your mindset can influence how you behave in a wide range of situations in life. These determines your behavior, outlook, and mental attitude. Our mindset is shaped by 4 pillars. These pillars guide how we view the world and our situations. The pillars are emotional intelligence, empathy, a growth mindset, and gratitude. For example, believing you are a poor student or that you have not talent. Most people fail to start something new due to their beliefs. They remain stuck in their comfort zone. They wait for perfect conditions that never come. But in the digital economy, speed beats perfection. You do not need to be tech savvy or have any prior experience to start. The learning is simple, step by step. The mindset you need is a growth mindset. This is the belief that you have the ability inside you to develop your abilities and grow through learning. A belief that effort is a path to mastery and success. The opposite of this is a fixed mindset. Keep trying and experimenting. Keep learning and applying. This way, you will stay ahead and thrive online. You must take a leap of faith and learn digital marketing skills. This is how you will be able to meet your financial goals. Digital literacy is no longer an option. It is the new way of life. Imagine being identified as illiterate very soon. Digital marketing is the means by which you will earn an income to satisfy your financial goals and dream life. It is the path to passive income and your financial freedom. The digital marketing program is built on a growth mindset. You learn through a proven process, step by step. You are guided to apply what you have learned in a digital business lab inside the program. Next, you learn how to earn through a number of income streams like reselling, affiliate marketing, and automation. It's not just learning, it's the proven path that transforms digital marketing skills into income streams and financial freedom. So make a decision today. Adopt a growth mindset. Write your financial goals again. Start learning digital marketing. Follow the success path, learning, applying, and earning. If you are ready to start, comment interested, and I will send you more information. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact me for more personal support. If you find this video useful, kindly spread the information and help more people receive it by sharing, liking, and subscribing.